eBay Mercari. Today I'm showing you a Christmas tree ornament here. This is a Hallmark Keepsake brand Scooby-Doo. This one's called a Christmas Scarol. We have Scooby there reading the Christmas Carol book with a ghost behind him. Maybe one of the ghosts from the story. And if you press the button on the side, it talks.
You will be visited by three ghosts. I am the ghost of Christmas past. Oh no, it's a ghost. Look. You will be visited by three ghosts.
Yeah, so it looks like those are three phrases that it kind of cycles through there. It takes two what was it called? LR44 watch batteries, watch cell batteries. And I just put two brand new ones in there. So should last you for a long time there. The ornament itself is in very good condition. I don't really see any issues with it there. Maybe just the smallest, slightest imperfections. It has the original plastic form-fitting thing that holds it in the box, and it has the original box. There are a few scratches and scuffs on the box. It's not like brand new, just shipped to the store condition. A few tiny little issues there, scuffs and whatnot, but other than that, I'd say it's overall very good condition. You just heard it working, and believe that's all I have to say about it. Thanks for looking, guys.